In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Airtable to Glide. Integrating Airtable allows you to bring your database directly into Glide, making it easier to build apps using your existing data. To start, open Glide and either begin a new app or choose an existing one. If you are creating a new app, click on the New App option, select Airtable as your data source, and click Continue. Next, you will be prompted to connect your Airtable account. Ensure that you are logged in with the same Gmail account used for Airtable in your browser. If not, you will need to enter your login credentials. Once connected, grant access to Glide to use your Airtable resources. After the connection is established, Glide will display all the bases available in your Airtable account. Select the base you want to import and click Create App. Once imported, you will see the data from Airtable in Glide's data editor, with all data types automatically recognized, including text, dates, and numbers. This ensures consistency between your Airtable base and your Glide app. If you are already working on an app and want to import a new Airtable base, click the plus icon on the left-hand side Tables section, choose Airtable, connect your account, and import the data in the same way. This allows seamless integration of external data into your Glide app at any point. And this is how you can connect Airtable to Glide.